Hello friends, welcome to our virtual classroom. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Am I right? Very good. Today we are going to learn poem. Unit 1, chapter 1.3. Trees are the kindest things I know. Written by Harry Bale, a great writer. Children's author, very well known and American poet. He is giving thanks to trees through this poem. First, we will read full poem. You listen carefully. Poem is written in a rhyming way. It sounds good. It is a very beautiful poem. Read care. Listen carefully. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather buds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of and leaves to burn on Halloween and in the spring new buds of green. They are the first when days began to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. Very heart-touching poem it is. I like very much. Do you like this? Very good. Now we will try to understand what poet tells us. Let's see first two lines. Trees are the kindest things I know. Listen. Poet says trees are the kindest, not only kind, not only kinder, the kindest, the superlative degree, the highest degree, the kindest. Why trees are called the kindest? Because trees are very useful. They give us fruits, they give us flowers, leaves, wood, shade, medicine, and many more things. But most important thing is trees produce oxygen. Oxygen is our life. Trees give us oxygen. You know, last 1.5 years in COVID-19 pandemic situation, patients need oxygen cylinders. Patients' relatives ran here and there for oxygen cylinders. And these oxygen cylinders are very expensive. We paid so much for oxygen cylinders. And this oxygen, trees give us free, free and free. They do not demand anything from us. That's why poet says trees are the kindest things I know. In second line, poet says they do not harm. Trees do not harm us. Trees do not hurt anybody. They simply grow. They grow peacefully. They do not shout. They do not make noise. They simply grow. That's why poet says trees are the kindest things I know. झाडे सगळ्यात दयाळू असतात. पृथ्वीवरील सर्व सजीव निर्जीव सगळ्या गोष्टींमध्ये झाडे सगळ्यात जास्त दयाळू असतात. ते शांतपणे वाढतात. ते कुणालाही इजा करत नाहीत. ते खूप आपल्या उपयोगी पडतात. म्हणून कवी म्हणतो की trees are the kindest things I know. In next, let's see next line. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. You see, when cows tired, they come and sit under the tree. Not only cows, all other animals also, when they tired, they come and sit under the tree, in the tree shade, and get relaxed. We also, human, when we tired, we annoyed by heat in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. When we get tired, we go to the tree, sit under the tree, and we feel cool. We feel happy. Okay? And birds also. In the morning, in the evening, you see birds gather on the branches. Birds sit on the branches and enjoy their life. And birds build their nest in the branches among their boughs. 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 Boughs means branches. Trees branches. Boughs. Birds build their nest among their boughs, among the branches. Trees build their home. Nest. What is nest? That is bird's home. So, trees are so kind. Very kind trees are. They help us to the animals, to the birds, to us. That's why poet says trees are the kindest things. Let's see next lines. Trees give us fruits. Trees are so help us. Trees give us fruits. Trees give us flowers. Trees give us leaves. Trees give us wood. We make houses with help of wood. And what are other uses of wood? We make tables, we make chairs, doors, windows, sofas, bed, and many more things. Ships, houses, so useful wood is. And this wood is also provided who trees give us. That's why poet says trees are the kindest things I know. Let's see next line. And leaves to burn on Halloween. Halloween. What is Halloween? What is Halloween? Halloween is a festival which celebrate in foreign country, in western country, not in India. In western countries, Halloween celebrate in month of October, in autumn season, and that time winter season starts. Climate is cold and people need warmth, heat. At that same time, dry leaves falls from the tree. People gather that leaves and burn in the fire. Then people get warmth, heat. And second line is, and in the spring, look here, in the spring, new buds of green. In the spring, climate is hot. We annoyed by heat. We suffer by heat. That time, on the tree, new birds, small little green leaves we see. And we feel happy. We feel relaxed. That is nice to see. That's why poet says, trees are the kindest things I know. हॅलोवीन या सणामध्ये पाश्चिमात्य देशांमध्ये हॅलोवीन हा सण साजरा केला जातो आणि झाडाची वाळलेली पाने त्यात जाळून शेकोटी करतात. त्यानंतर जो वसंत ऋतू येतो त्यावेळी झाडांवर नवीन छोटी छोटी हिरवी पानं येतात आणि ती पानं बघून आपल्याला फार आनंद होतो, सुख वाटतं. त्यामुळे आजूबाजूला जो उन्हाळा असतो, उन्हाच्या झळांनी आपण त्रस्त झालेलो असतो, अशा वेळी झाडं आपल्याला आनंद देतात आणि त्या उन्हाचा त्रास आपला कमी होतो. म्हणून कवी सारखं सांगतात की ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स. आता लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट लाईन. They are the first. They are the first when days begun. When sun rises in the morning, trees are tall. That why trees are first. They catch the beams. What is beams? Beams means rays of sun. Sunshine, rays of sun. When sun rises in the morning, trees are the first. They catch the light, and in the evening, when sun sets and evening changes into the night, that time trees are the last to get the light. Trees are the last to get the light. सकाळच्या वेळी जेव्हा सूर्य उगवतो त्यावेळी त्याची सूर्यकिरणं घेणारे झाडच पहिले असतात आणि संध्याकाळी सूर्यास्त होतो, सूर्य मावळतो, जेव्हा संधी प्रकाश पडतो त्यावेळी तो संधी प्रकाश स्वीकारणारे, तो प्रकाश घेणारे सुद्धा शेवटची ती झाडच असतात. अशी ही सुंदर निसर्गाची देणगी आहे ही झाडं म्हणजे. ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स. अँड व्हेन अ मून floats on the sky. When it is night, moon appears. Cool winds blow. Soft wind passes in the branches and leaves move silently. That makes a sound. Poet says, this hum is drowsy lullaby. Drowsy means sleepy. And lullaby. What is lullaby? What is lullaby? A song. When children go to sleep, mother sings a song that called lullaby. In the night, children go to bed, and that time trees and leaves move silently, and that is makes a sound. That sound, poet says, trees are singing a lullaby for children. What is lullaby? You know, a soft in low voice mother sing. That is lullaby. It is humming. It is humming in low voice. It is humming. Poet says, trees hum a drowsy lullaby. आपण सुद्धा निसर्गाची लेकरं आहोत. ज्यावेळी संध्याकाळ होऊन जाते, रात्र व्हायला सुरुवात होते, रात्र होते, आपण सगळे थकतो, आपल्याला झोपेची गरज असते आणि त्यावेळी मंद वारा सुटलेला असतो. झाडे डोलत असतात, पानांची सळसळ होत असते आणि कवी कल्पना अशी आहे, कवीच्या मनात असं येतंय की झाडे आपल्यासाठी, चिल्ड्रन म्हणजे फक्त लहान मुलांसाठी असे नाही, आपण सगळेच जण निसर्गाची लेकरं आहोत, झाडांची लेकरं आहोत आणि आपल्या सगळ्यांसाठी झाडे अंगाई गीत गात आहेत. असं कवीला वाटतं की झाडं किती दयाळू आहेत, ते आपल्यासाठी अंगाई गीत गात आहेत. Let's see next line. Of sleepy children long ago, trees are the kindest things I know. झाडं सगळ्यांसाठी झटत असतात, आपली मदत करत असतात. ते कोणतीही अपेक्षा करत नाहीत आपल्याकडून काही मागत नाहीत. ते फक्त देणं जाणतात. ट्रीज आर व्हेरी जनरस. ते खूप उदार आहेत. ते व्हॉटेवर दे हॅव दे गिव्ह अस. त्यांच्याजवळ जे जे काही आहे ते सगळं आपल्याला देऊन टाकतात. निसर्गातील आपण सर्व सजीव सृष्टी झाडांवर अवलंबून आहोत आणि म्हणून कवी म्हणतो, ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स आय नो. आता होमवर्क. इन युअर टेक्स्ट बुक, पेज नंबर 12, page number 14, page number 15, there are so many questions. You have to write all questions answers in your notebook. Here are few questions. Look, how trees are useful in our life? Why trees are called kindest? Life is impossible without trees. Explain it. Write an essay on plant trees save life. बघा, ह्या सगळ्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं सारखीच आहेत, जवळजवळ सारखीच आहेत. तुम्ही थोडा विचार केलात, हा व्हिडिओ परत परत ऐकलात, तर सगळी उत्तरं ह्याच्यात तुम्हाला मिळणार आहेत. ह्या सगळ्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं तुम्ही वहीमध्ये लिहायची आहेत. ओके? आणि झाडे एवढी महत्वाची आहेत, so that on 5th June we celebrate World Environment Day. World Environment Day. In all over world we celebrate this day, World Environment Day. That day we plant trees. Why? Why we plant trees? Because trees are the most important part of environment, of nature. That's why we plant trees. And we must plant trees often. On our birthday, we plant trees. On others' birthday. And when something good happens in our life, we should plant trees and we should take care of trees. We should take care of trees. We must take care of trees. Don't hurt trees. Don't peel the leaves of the trees. Take care of trees. Love trees. Love trees and save trees. Save trees because we all need trees. Our life is impossible without trees. झाडे ही आपल्या जीवनाचे अविभाज्य असं अंग आहे. त्यामुळे झाडाची आपण काळजी घ्यायची आहे, झाडांची निगा राखायची आहे. झाडे लावायची आहेतच, पण नुसते झाडं लावून सोडून नाही द्यायची. त्यांना पाणी घालायचं, खत घालायचं, कुंपण करायचं आणि झाडांची काळजी घ्यायची. पूर्ण आयुष्यभर झाडे वाचवायची आहेत. त्यासाठी आपण सतर्क राहायचं आहे. Because trees are the kindest things and we need trees. So, you promise me, you save trees. Very good. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.